Will Intel's chip be made in India now? And why is everyone talking about the Tata Group and Intel Corporation agreement? Let's check it out. Tata Group and Intel have come together in a new partnership to build a strong chip making and AI powered computer technology ecosystem in India. In simple terms, this is about making India stronger in semiconductor and advanced computing. Tata Group is investing about $14 billion to build India's first semiconductor fabrication facility in Gujarat state and a chip assembly and testing facility in the state of Assam, which simply implies Intel products manufacturing and packaging will be completed at Tata Electronics' upcoming fab and OSAT facilities in Gujarat and Assam. This partnership is also focusing on AI-powered computers, since India is expected to become one of the top 5 computer markets in the world by 2030. Tata and Intel want to quickly bring AI-ready laptop and PCs to both regular users and businesses. Intel will provide the AI technology design, and Tata will handle large-scale manufacturing using its strong production capability. This will eventually allow Intel to use Tata's strong large-scale manufacturing expertise and reach customers across India through the wide business network of Tata Group. Now let's see what spokesperson have to say about this agreement. Tata Sons chairman N. Chandrasekaran stated that this collaboration will significantly accelerate India's semiconductor journey and enable the country to capitalize on massive AI-driven growth opportunities ahead. Intel CEO Lee Bhutan highlighted that India's fast-growing PC demand and rapid AI adoption make this partnership a powerful growth engine for both companies in the Indian market. Tata Electronics CEO Dr. Randhir Thakur explained that the partnership will help accelerate product launches, lower manufacturing costs, and establish a dependable supply chain for the next generation of AI-enabled computers. Subscribe for more such news. Thank you.